Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Namrita and I have recently moved to London from Germany. I was staying in Germany for the past 4 years. Before that I was staying in India and I got married, and now I've moved in with my husband who lives in London. So finally this is like the first time I have my own house to set and organize, and I'm trying to make this house as much home as possible. And my husband was living with the bare minimum, like with plastic plates and the utensils that he used to use during his school student life, and he waited for a year just so that I can come and buy all the cutlery, the utensils and small knickknacks of my choice. So just to make the process a little bit more interesting, I thought why not let's do a haul and show you all what all I've got. So this is just like a kitchen slash bathroom haul video, and I hope you all enjoy it because I loved picking out all these things. I have tried to be a lot within budget because it is the first time that we guys are also buying something for our house, so we don't want to go very overboard. So most of the things that we've got are from popular UK supermarkets like Sainsbury's and TK Maxx, and even some I think from M&S as well. So I'll just show you all the cute stuff that I've got, which I think they are very cute. Let's go ahead. So first and foremost was buying spoons and a nice cutlery, because he had like really cheap ones which and no knives and no soup spoons at all. So this is from Sainsbury's, a set of 5. Like it's a 30-piece set of, but you get like a nice soup spoon, knife and a fork, like a normal tablespoon and a teaspoon as well. So a very nice piece. Then the next would be plates. We have some really ugly yellow plates, plastic plates that we've been eating off since the past week, and getting pretty plates which photograph well for the food was a priority. So this has a white beige base with a little bit of a obad-dhobad or a uneven kind of texture which looks very homely, and it is even hand painted, and most of these things are dishwasher and microwave safe because ain't nobody washing dishes anymore. So I think the food will look really nice on these plates, and I plan to cook a lot, make a lot of new recipes, do a lot of food photography and videography. So I think these plates are going to look really nice. I got matching cereal bowls also for it, and vatia or small bowls as well. I think I'm going to be switching a lot into Hindi and Marathi because that's how I usually speak. And the next would be these really beautiful marble pasta bowls or even noodle bowls. So this was more of a whim. We didn't really need it, but like it feels really nice to eat from nice cutlery. And of course glasses. We were again drinking from plastic glasses, which is not recommended, or whiskey glasses, which is then we were consuming very less water. So we got a nice set of 4 glasses. This is also from Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's is amazing. We got a lot of stuff on clearance, so that most of the things which we got was like half price. And the next one would be bottles. So there's this cute bottle which is like a handbag bottle, as it says, so I can just pop it into my handbag and be hydrated on the go. Then this one is a little bit ugly looking, but I guess it's nice because it's purple. Just it's by the brand Systema, and I had a tiffin. It's tiffin from the same brand which lasted me for 3 years. So I was like, okay, I need to have this brand. So this will probably be my home bottle. And the last but not the least is this really beautiful Ionate bottle. I don't know the brand really, but I got it from TK Maxx. I love the color. It's like a deep emerald green, and it's really beautiful looking matte green color. All of these things are dishwasher safe, so good, I won't be washing most of the things. So we got a set of 3 bamboo chopping boards. He had plastic chopping board which had so many marks, and of course if you are using plastic chopping boards, we are consuming such a lot of micro plastic as well. So now we've switched to bamboo chopping boards. It's a set of 3. The bigger ones are in the dishwasher right now, so I just thought I'll show you the small cute one. And then the next one is our coasters. We didn't have any coasters. We were just like using tissues to keep our hot pans on. So this is like a basic cork coaster from IKEA. Nothing great to show over here. But again from TK Maxx, I found something really cute and pretty. These are just floral posters, coasters with a floral poster on it. And I think this is also very beautiful to like keep glasses on. And one really unique find from TK Maxx is this bin. So whenever you're chopping and cutting something, and to just make that bin is a little bit further away, so to keep walking there was a hassle for me. So this is like a hanging bin, which you can just hang it on the counter, put all your wet waste in it quickly, and later at the end of the day you can just throw it in the trash. So I think this is going to be really handy. I'll probably post about it and give a review as well later. I got some things for the bathroom as well. So I wanted one really long bath mat, and it has to look good, it has to be soft, well plush. And this is another beautiful find from TK Maxx. I love the color. It's mint, it's like reversible, it's a crochet mat, and it's made in India, and it's machine washable, so what's not to love. Then we are doing like a cool tone for our bathroom. We needed a bathroom bin. Is another one that we got from Sainsbury's. It is like a grayish blue color, quite classy looking. And the last one is like a normal bath mat or anti-slip bathtub mat, so that no accidents will happen when you're in the bathtub. And that's it. So I even got an IKEA cupboard, which is the most expensive item of the haul, which I will show you right now. Just a simple white IKEA cupboard, nothing very fancy, and a storage organizer from IKEA. And that's it. So there are a lot of more things that we need to buy, like a laundry basket and few more things. So I might do a part 2 of the video if I have time and energy, and if I have some nice response as well. So bye.